let's start here. It's already tearing. I'm being very gentle with it. Tearing. Then I gotta get all these nails out loose to be able to pull this thing out.
The gray nail is just falling off.
Now I gotta get the one above it. See, these nails up here also go into this one.
All creased up.
And it's already showing creases.
Yep. And all the, you can't see them here on the video, but all the granules are just falling off.
And there's 2 tears already, there and there. So it's not repairable. So just for testing purposes, we're going to talk these. We're going to use the thing, maybe pull from the other repair part. Where's mine? That's it. You don't want to be right on this these keyways. You want to be in off of them so water doesn't get to it. Right there. I don't really need to go any further. 3 more nails need to go in here. 6 nails. And as you can see, look at the creases.
For sure.
Creased up here. Crease there.
And a couple of tears. All right, there you go.
That's a repair test.
It's not gonna happen.
Simple.